We put on an annual event at the DECC called the St. Louis County Health and Human Service Conference. And we are delighted and honored to be at the DECC to facilitate our conference, which has had tremendous growth over the 26 years that I've been involved. When I first started out in being chairperson at the conference, we had under 500 people, and now we're at over 3,000 people. There's really no other facility in the northern part of our state that would ever be able to host an event as large as ours. From beginning to the very end, in terms of planning, implementation, and evaluation, just things like where to have particular workshops that might be most helpful, or planning how many microphones you might have to have per session. Those parts of the conference are really done very easily with the DECC staff. There's just great practice wisdom of helping you utilize and maximize, really the words exploit the facility, if you will, to its greatest degree. We have a lot of employees that are staying in surrounding hotels that walk through the skywalk to the conference. That walkability was wonderful. Our keynotes that stay here, as well as all of our presenters and participants, again over 3,000 people, are finding their way to the DECC in a really easy fashion. So that walkability really makes a difference. In terms of the DECC facilitating the sustainability of what we all consume at the conference, I want to say that has really improved over the years. We have water stations at each of the rooms, and that's an example of the reusability and not using one cup after another. So I feel that in the planning of our food and all the things that we consume, that sustainability, that's with intention. Truly, the location of the DECC is just a place of beauty and ties into the renewal that people feel when they come down to the DECC, especially when our workshops are on the harbor side and people get an experience of the breadth of the lake and that sense of peace and calm. It just makes a welcoming atmosphere. I work on our annual conference year-round in collaboration with the DECC, and those relationships with people sustain themselves throughout the years. And that's really the stability of the DECC, knowing you can count on them and that they are there for you year after year. And that just builds your trust and builds your sense of everything's going to be just fine.